Welcome back to another video, legends. We've just passed through Port Fairy and have made it to Portland as our adventure continues. We're on the lookout for surf, as Portland is renowned for some of the best waves in Victoria.
We found ourselves an awesome little spot at Crumpets Beach where we set up camp for the night and cooked up a delicious feed.
We are in Portland. We've just stayed down at Crumpets Beach. I surfed this point break last night. We had a nice little cook up here at the back, had a little fire. Lily just chilled in bed.
Yeah, it's pretty fine. Good evening.
I was a personal chef. Pretty awesome. Got out of the surf at like 7. Some other boys got in at like 7:30 and were surfing till like 9 because it doesn't get dark till 9:30 here. So pretty awesome. Bacon and eggs this morning. Quick little feed. The point isn't working as much this morning, unfortunately. It was a little bit, but not that great. So we're gonna go see if Black Nose is working. Not too sure, because you'd hope that this is working and Black Nose is working. But we'll see if we can find some waves. And we're waiting on our test to get into South Australia.
So we're hanging tight here, not seeing anyone and just waiting it out. Hopefully not too long. Hopefully we're in and safe by Christmas.
That's the plan. We've got a hotel booked for Christmas because we aren't going home. So we'll try and make the most of what we can. Time to go surfing. A couple of occasional waves rolling throughout the point, as you can see just there. Today you guys will be coming with me out in the surf. Gonna be in the little bite mouth, take you out there, get a few screamers. Lily's gonna get up on the drone. Nice scenery, no one around. Blue skies over there. Shouldn't be rain, should get some sick drone shots. Should get some sick surfing shots. Hopefully there's a few waves that wanna roll in for me. Gonna take out the big yellow banana today. See you out there. It's time, guys. Time to get in the water. Let's get out there. The weather has turned slightly, a bit grey and overcast. Like this yesterday though. Let's get in, get wet. What a spot. We're out here in Portland, on the southern coast of Australia in Victoria. No one else out. One other van camping over there. That's the spot. This bloke might come out now that he's seen me out here, but pretty cool. Island out there, full of birds, untouched by humans. For the most part, an amazing spot to go for a surf. The little one's about to roll in. I think this next one might be ours. We didn't make that one, but we'll go again. There's definitely more coming. Eric's drone is above us in the air. Playing the screen. There he is. Alright. Now it's time to get a wave. Oh, bit small there. Ew. Oh, that hurt. Landed my knee on a rock, tried to avoid that rock in front of the board. Hopped in the water. Bang, straight to the knee. Whew. Good little session. Maybe we'll get one more, why not? Here we go, this should be a good one. What a session. Only some small waves. Got my sun cream, got my wax, but what can you do? Still got some waves in paradise. Cold water, it's murky, probably sharky, but there'll be seals for them to eat, not me. That's how I look at it. Anyway, enjoy, see you later. Like and subscribe. Ew. Hard to get on the rocks, but we made it. Post surf coffee is about to go on. Get the jet boil together. Get the spread. There we are, jet boil on, AeroPress ready to go. We'll get the coffee in there. Bing bada boom.